be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now I haven't done it this way in a while, but I wanted to bring you an early look at this pair of shoes. This shoe actually releases tomorrow, October the 25th. All right, but I was able to get them a little bit early because they released early on Revolve.com, or the Revolve shoe store. Okay, so I went ahead and ordered them because I said, these are nice. I like this style of shoe, and I like that specific colorway because pretty much every other version of this shoe that I have is a shade of blue. So I said, I need a neutral one that I can wear with different things. All right, so let's go ahead and bring them out. If I can. It's snug inside that box. They snug in there. All right, there we go. So here we are. Nike box, as you can see, nothing spectacular here. And these are the Nike Zoom Vomero 5. Colorway metallic silver and black. All right, and I got these in a size 13, of course. And here you can see the Revolve sticker. Once again, these do release. There's a sticker on the bottom of it. Oh, okay, that's just a regular Nike sticker. Once again, these do release tomorrow, October the 25th. On the Sneakers app. So if you are interested in getting a pair of these, head on over to Sneakers and you'll be able to find them tomorrow. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pretty clean. And pretty Spurs-like. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Very nice. Very nice. The metallic silver Nike Zoom Vomero 5. When I bought these, I did not realize the colorway that I just bought in relation to where I live. Now, I live in San Antonio. I did not realize that these are San Antonio Spurs colors. Didn't do that on purpose. I just saw a neutral color and I said, I need a neutral, kind of like a black and white almost. Something I can wear with different, different outfits and stuff like that instead of just blue all the time. I swear I didn't do that on purpose. But if I'm gonna go catch a Spurs game, might have to throw these on now, So the Spurs play like 30 minutes from here. So I'm definitely gonna be in the house. But yeah, man, the metallic silver Vomeros, I think these are a nice colorway. They come with a light gray shoelace there. Nothing on the lace tips. All right. And then on your tongue, Nike Vomero 5 there on the tongue. You take the paper out. Then you have your Bowerman series, typical sticker that you see on all of the insides of Vomeros, if you've seen those. You got metallic silver going around there with your black swoosh on the back. White midsole. Alright. And then you have your black swoosh on both sides, outlined by that metallic silver. Alright, more outlined by that gray. Same gray that's going around here in the front. That's more of the gray that's going around the swoosh. Alright. And your gray mesh area here. These, to me, are what the Ultra Boosts were to a lot of people. Just a very comfortable shoe that you can wear around all day. Great comfort on your feet. On the bottom, the gray, black, and then the white. You got your shank plate there. Very nice. Very great shoe. Black on the inside, on the inner lining. Nice thick cushion around the heel area. These are intended to be running shoes. I more so wear them as walking around comfort kind of shoes. But yeah, these are running shoes. So if you are getting them to actually go run, they are very comfortable for that too. And your feet will thank you. Alright. Black up front. And then that metallic silver going around each side of the black there. And yeah, man, very comfortable shoe. I love Vomeros. I'm glad I took a chance with them based off of the recommendation of Jacques Slade, and I went ahead and tried them. But man, these feel amazing on feet and all day comfort, man. I would recommend getting your true size. Getting your true size in these. You don't need to go up or go down for real. I know I say I'm a true 13 and a half, but it feels like as the older I'm getting, like certain shoes it's a 13. It's supposed to be a 13. I don't know why that is. There are some shoes, like a lot of LeBron's. Nah, I need a 13 and a half or a 14 in some of those because they're snug. There are some Jordans that I have to get a 14, but there are a lot of shoes now where I'm like 13. A 13 will do, and it'll fit just fine, be perfect. So my recommendation for you all, get your true size. Get your true size. You'll be fine, and it'll be just comfortable. All right. If anything, if you're like, my true size didn't really fit good, maybe go up half a size, maybe. But I say your true size should be good. All right. But ultimately, that's it on these, man. Just wanted to bring you all a quick one and let you see these, and maybe you want to make a quick decision on these shoes before they release tomorrow. I personally think they're pretty legit. Alright. And I think you all will enjoy these. Alright. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and take these boys on feet. Alright, this is what I had on today. I'm wearing Adidas. Alright, the Yeezy 350s. Alright. So as you can see, I am wearing Adidas pants. Don't worry about that. I ain't gonna fake the funk and go change like I wasn't wearing these, but I was wearing the Yeezys and the Adidas pants. Alright, but here are the Vomeros. Alright, here they are on the feet. Yeah, very comfortable, man. I'm in my comfy boy stage, man. The comfy boys. Alright, look, you see the Yeezys. And then the Vomeros, man, I'm in my comfy boy stage, man. Alright, so here we are for size reference. That's my big toe right there. So perfect fit for me. Absolutely perfect fit. Comfort is on 1,000. Couldn't ask for better comfort. Just the perfect fit, man. Perfect shoe as far as comfort is. I wear these all day. I can easily wear these all day. Man, they feel good. Alright, well, let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Definitely a dope shoe. Definitely comfortable. Can't go wrong with a pair of Vomeros. Even if it's not these, find you a nice colorway that you like. Nike is actually having a sale right now on Nike.com. Go over there, the Nike app, hit up the Vomero section, look for that sale. Get you a pair of these for comfort, man. I just realized that I've been saying these come out tomorrow, October 25th. By the time this video is posted, that's going to be today. So today, October 25th, later on today, if you're interested in these sneakers, these are going to be releasing today, October 25th. All right, whenever you're watching this. So that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.